Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality food or better. From my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you some crispy air fried buffalo chicken in my Ninja air fryer. Alright, so here's my Ninja air fryer. And I'm going to just go ahead and move this out the way. What we're going to be cooking. Show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some buffalo sauce. This is by Frank's buffalo wing sauce. Actually, it ain't really Frank's, because all I did was made mine up. And if you want to know how to make this sauce up, refer back when I made them hot lemon pepper wings. All right, minus the lemon. This right here is some olive oil. Right here I have some cornstarch. I have like a tablespoon of that. I can put that in out because that's over with. Alright, right here I have some granulated onion, tablespoon, teaspoon of Goya adobo, half a teaspoon of pink sea salt accumulator. Right here some Zeteran Creole seasoning right here. I have a teaspoon of that also. That's this. Alright. Alright, what else we got? We got some granulated garlic right here. Forgot to bring that over here. Yeah. I have it, so you know what it is. Alright, I think I told you all that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and wash this chicken up, cut it up, and we'll start putting this stuff together. I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to come in with our seasoning. This right here is the Zeteran. It's our salt. It's our Goya. So, just the onion powder. Here's the garlic. Just gonna mix that up. Alright. Now I'm gonna take this cornstarch. This one's gonna make it crispy. That's about it. All I want to get out of there. Alright, we're gonna start placing them up in here. As many as we can. Cook this for about 25 minutes. Yep, I'll be flipping this around. So total cooking time is going to probably end up being about good 35 minutes. Okay guys, take our olive oil spray. Just moving them around up in here. Alright, that should do it. Alright, put this in here. Okay guys, got that up in there. And all we're going to do is turn it on, just like so. This is the temperature. We don't want it that high. We want it to cook nice and even. Alright, let's see, it's 20 minutes. That's the hot. Well, I think it goes up higher than that. So we cook it on 30. Okay. Then we won't air fry. And then push start. And let it go. And cook in a minute. Okay, guys, it's been about 10 minutes. Just want to check this out. Put it on pause. Turn it off decent. So that's all we're just gonna do. We're just gonna switch them out. Okay. Switch them out. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna spray this side also. Lightly. Alright, let that cook. I'm gonna get this out of there. Alright, resume. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Turn this off. I did have to flip them around a few times. This is the end result right here. Alright, we're just gonna throw these in the bowl. Like that. Well, I should probably put the grease in there. Alright. So we take our buffalo sauce after we shake it up. Just pour some in there like so. Like that. Toss them around. That's it, pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and you guys can see how it's gonna look. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. There it is. Here's the buffalo wings. Air fry buffalo wings in a Ninja air fryer. And it took longer than expected. About 30, I want to say about 35, 36 minutes. That's how long it took, so I had to keep flipping around. So anyway, it's okay though. We got it done. All right, and I did make a salad too, but that ain't part of the plan. So here's my little salad. I can show you that. If you guys want me to make a salad, comment down below and let me know. If you want me to make a buffet salad, that'd be next. Sunflower seeds, strawberry, and bacon, real bacon. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tune into the channel. And please, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. I'm out.